I'm Cole. This is my journey of becoming a professional soccer player, building a bootstrap business, and showing my path to self-mastery. I make these videos to try to teach people how to create their ideal life as I'm doing it myself right now. Today's video is on why you should post on social media. I'm going to start out with the list of benefits that you're going to get from posting, and then at the end, I'm going to talk about some of the challenges that may come up in your journey if you do start. One of the biggest reasons that I started posting on social media is that I will have a log of my growth over time. I have previously been someone who's journaled a lot, so I'm used to kind of reflecting on the day and thinking about my thoughts. But I saw that I was thinking about how journaling is great, but it's a lot harder for me to get into the moment of how I was feeling or how I was thinking at the exact moment, because it is just words on a page. That's why I wanted to start this YouTube channel, so that I could see how I'm talking, how I'm communicating. I think communication is super important. I get to see the progress that I'm making in my channel over time. I haven't gone back and changed the format of my videos for the title, thumbnail, structure, or description. So I can go back and look how my thought process about posting on YouTube has changes from start to now. A big problem that I had just a few weeks ago is that when I was uploading my videos, I had 2 black bars on the side, which just made the videos look very low quality because it wasn't the full width. So a lot of mistakes, a lot of messing up, but I can see the progress of me trying to continually get better over time with the YouTube channel, and what things I'm experimenting with and what things I'm changing to see how I'm growing as someone who's trying to learn how to create content. The next point that I think is really beneficial for anyone creating a YouTube channel is that you learn how to tell a story. I would not consider myself to be a very good storyteller, but in these videos, I'm trying to teach. I tried to use a lot of stories from my day as well as anecdotes to try to better resonate with the viewers. Even if it's just a talk between friends, being able to tell a story to where you can put them in the moment or accurately describe what someone was going through is really important in communication and conversation in general. So through these videos, I'm practicing on how I can put you in the moment. When I'm editing these videos, I watch the entire recording back. I can see where I mess up, where my speech isn't that good, or where I'm really failing to communicate how I wanted to. That feedback loop of you watching yourself talk will make you a better communicator, especially if you're looking out for it. As you're going and posting, you should be looking out for things that you're struggling to do, whether it is using a lot of transitional words, or you might just not talk in an interesting way. That's something you're gonna realize and then have to work on throughout your videos. Having the ability to watch your videos back is very important because you learn a lot about how you're failing to communicate. Communication in life is just super important. So building that skill of learning how to communicate with someone else is vital. The next benefit that you can get from posting on social media is consistency. My plan was to post every single day, and I have been doing that since I started. I originally just started with a video, but I've transitioned to posting a video and a short. And then recently I've also made an Instagram and TikTok where I posted on there as well. I'm just trying to get all the content channels that I can, but today is day 81 of me posting every day. I've learned how to do something every day, no matter how I feel, no matter how late it is, I'll record and edit a video. Learning consistency in social media will help you in other areas of your life. I'm a really big believer in that skills in one area bleed into the rest of your life. So if you're more consistent at a certain skill, you're more likely to be consistent in the rest of your life. I want to be someone who's very consistent, who does what they said they're gonna do and does it well. And through these videos, I'm trying to learn that skill to make it a more permanent thing. And so far with the YouTube, I've done well. And then I'm trying to transfer that to other areas of my life, trying to consistently train and work on my business so that I make at least a little bit of progress every single day. One of the potential benefits of creating a YouTube channel is that if it does go well, you can create a community out of that. For me, I feel it's been very hard to find people who are interested in the same thing as me, really trying to push themselves to be the best version of themselves. So through this YouTube channel, I'm trying to create a community that I can access and tap into of other people on that same journey as me. And whatever you decide to post about, you'll be able to find people who are in that same niche as you. That alone is super powerful. At the end of the day, we are humans. We do want some form of social connection. And I think it's better if you can get it from people who are like-minded as you. Obstacles for me posting on social media. I was super self-conscious about what other people would think about me posting. I would be worried mainly of 2 things. One, if people saw it, and then also if people didn't see it. But through posting and through me creating these videos, I've come to realize that if no one sees it, then why am I worried about what they think? Because they're not going to see it anyway. So it's not embarrassing for me to try these videos out and fail if no one sees it, because no one's going to know about it anyway. So I might as well post so I can at least see if I can post something that's interesting to people. It's likely that you're going to have the thought of being worried about what other people think, but that's a skill that you can develop to act even if you fear what's in front of you. Then you might be afraid that people will see it. I made a new YouTube channel that is completely disconnected from my friends because I'm more comfortable with strangers on the internet seeing my video than people that I already know. Especially before starting to post shorts, I was getting no success on my YouTube channels. I think I have 0.5 views a video, which is not very good, but I started to post shorts and a lot of them have done very well for the standards of me posting. As of right now, there are 3 or 4 of them that are above 1,000 views, which is 20 times the amount of views I have on all my long form content. So far, the feedback has been positive, but I actually have a want for some negative feedback in terms of dislikes on my shorts. I have 1 dislike right now and I absolutely love it because I want to build the skill of being comfortable with people hating on me. If you want to be great in life, if you want to be someone who's going to be in the public spotlight or well known, you're going to get hate from someone. There's no one in the world that everyone absolutely loves. So if you want to be in the spotlight or the top, you either have to already have a backbone or learn how to deal with the hate. That's what I'm trying to do through these videos. I'm trying to learn how to deal with the hate that I'm getting so that when I do get to the person that I want to be, I'm already ready to deal with the hate that's going to come when I get there. So using posting on social media as a way to get over your fear of people not caring about what you're saying or people seeing it and having their opinions on it. Both of those are skills that you can develop, and this social media could be a way for you to develop those skills. The last danger that could come up when you are starting to post on social media is being too tied to the views. I've personally experienced this. Years ago, I created this TikTok channel of me and my friends playing soccer. I bought a GoPro and we had a head strap. We would put it on one of my friends and then we would play. I would edit the videos and post. We had some videos that did very well, getting hundreds of thousands of views and one video with over 50K likes. A problem that I was having while making those TikToks is that my motivation to create the videos would be very much tied on the amount of views that I was getting. So with this YouTube channel, I made sure to change my reason and drive for why I'm posting these videos. 1, I want to have a log of what I'm doing. 2, I want to build the skills. And 3, I want to get consistency. With those as my targets, the views still affect me to a degree. I'm not going to say I'm perfect. And even if you build up the skill, you're not going to be perfectly indifferent from the views. That's okay. But you want to have an ulterior motive than just the views so that you can continually post. Because if you just post when the views do well, then you're not going to post in the bad times. And views aren't like a exponential curve. Sometimes they go up and then they go down and then go up. It's not nature that if you post more videos that you're 100% going to go viral. But if you're actively trying to create better content and then posting consistently, you have a greater chance of becoming a big channel. That's what I'm trying to do in my channel. I'm trying to post consistently and then also improve the videos, improve the channel as I go along. So having the alternative motives of posting on your YouTube channel is very important for you to continue to post even in the hard times. At the end of the day, I want to be able to look back when I'm 80 years old and have a glimpse into what my life was like when I was 20. Time is not going to stop for any single person. So having the ability to capture this point in time, post it on the internet. When I'm 80, I want to be able to look back at this point in time to see what it was like to go through it again. That's all I have for today's video. Thanks for watching. Date anyone. Good night.